Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to answer the question of, why is my magic not regenerating? Why am I suddenly over-encumbered? Why am I unable to use a weapon very effectively that I just had, or other various issues that I suddenly seem to be afflicted by? So, if you go to your inventory, you go to Magic, there's a tab here on the far right side called Active Effects, and this is what's currently going on with your character. And unlike other Bethesda games where you might not notice the disease or illnesses that can build up on you, or there's just a shrine in town you always just touch before you go out adventuring, diseases are a constant thing inside of Oblivion, and these do things like damage your magicka from astral vapors over here, drain your agility by 10 points from the disease rattles. And then you can see I've also got stunted magicka from that same astral vapors disease and weakness to magic. So these can do things like reduce your strength so you can't carry very much, or you're suddenly not able to do any damage with your swords. It can make it difficult for you to dodge or block. Pretty much anything in the game. It can even reduce your health, all because you're running around with a giant pile of diseases. And this is why it's important to carry around a disease potion with you to get rid of all of this, or know where there is a shrine in the game where you can touch to remove all of your ailments. In this case, I'm in my house, so I have a few potions of cure disease, so I will drink one of those and remove those effects from myself. And there you go. You can see now that I've taken some cure disease potions, my mana is regenerating properly again, and if I go into my magic, I now only have the Fortify from a Grand Ring and a Thief Birth Sign for these different abilities, and there's no longer anything reducing my ability rating by having some sort of obnoxious disease on board. So that's how you handle different diseases and getting rid of them. You just get a Cure Disease potion, drink it, and that should cover all your bases. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.